Good morning, everyone. Today we will start with a new lesson, lenses and vision. In order to see things, light has to enter the eye. Lenses are used to correct some vision problems. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to explain how the parts of the eye function to focus and detect light, identify some vision problems, compare and contrast between eyes with normal vision, far-sighted eyes, and nearsighted eyes, and finally explain how corrective lenses can improve vision. Before we start with this lesson, you should know the main parts of the eye. The cornea is a transparent membrane that forms the front part of the eye. The pupil is a hole that allows light to enter to the eye. The colored part of the eye is the iris. The iris is actually a group of muscles. These muscles control the diameter of the pupil. Behind the pupil there is the lens. This is a converging lens. Muscles around the lens change its thickness so we can see objects at different distances. The retina is found at the back of the eye. It is made up of nerve cells. The optical nerve sends the message to the brain. How does the eye form an image? Light rays from an object enter the eye through the cornea. The cornea refracts or bends the light rays so they can pass through the pupil. The iris changes the size of the pupil to control the amount of light let in. Then the lens deviates the light again. A smaller inverted image is received on the retina. The signals travel to the brain by the optical nerve. Although the image is sent upside down, the brain interprets it and understands it as being right side up. The brain combines information received from the left and right eyes to produce a sense of distance and depth. The first vision problem we're going to discuss is nearsightedness. Nearsightedness happens when a person's eye is too long or the cornea is curved steeply. Nearsighted eyes produce an image in front of the retina rather than on the retina itself. A nearsighted person can see something clearly only if it is near. Another vision problem is farsightedness. Farsightedness happens when a person's eye is too short or the cornea isn't curved enough. In this case, the image is formed behind the retina. Farsighted eyes see distant objects most clearly. Objects that are nearby look blurry to a person who is farsighted. Both converging and diverging lenses are used to correct vision problems. Diverging lenses are used to correct nearsightedness. Since a diverging lens has thick edges and is thin at the middle, light is bent outwards. Then light is focused on the retina. And then the image moves back to the retina. Farsightedness can be corrected with converging lenses. Since a converging lens is thick at the middle, light is converged. Then it is focused inward. And the image moves forward to the retina. Study the notes very well. I will send extra exercises next week. Stay safe, everybody.